Some people live lives with no drama, no hype, but they have steady money and very low stress. Their secret isn't luck. It's a quiet strategy built on stocks, cash flow, and stability. This isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about building a strong life with a boring, reliable plan. The goal is to build a strong base. You have to build safety before you start chasing high returns. A solid income, a real buffer for emergencies, and a core portfolio of stocks come first. Experiments and big bets? They can come later, much later. Think of it like a house foundation. You need a strong base before you can build anything on top of it. Quiet wealth usually leans on broad, diversified stock concepts. We're talking about index-style funds and key sectors that serve daily human needs, like utilities or consumer staples. Yes, they still rise and fall with the market, but they're not built on hype alone. Now, this is important. This is education, not a list of tickers to buy. The idea is to understand the principle of a diversified, long-term view. Next up is your cash flow plan. When money arrives, you need to have rules for it. A system. First, pay your bills. Then, top up your emergency buffer. After that, automatically invest into your core stocks. Whatever is left is your flexible money. You get paid, and so does your plan. It's about making your financial progress automatic, not an afterthought. Stability tools might not be exciting, but they will save you. Think of them as your financial shields. First, a buffer of a few months of expenses. Second, basic protection like health or life insurance if it's available to you. And third, serious control over high-interest debt like credit cards. These are the things that stop life's unexpected events from kicking you completely out of your financial plan. Now, a quiet wealth strategy doesn't mean you can't take any risks. It just means that risk has a small, clearly marked space in your portfolio. Maybe it's a little crypto, a few individual stocks you believe in, or a small business idea on the side. The key is that if it fails, your life and your core plan still stand strong. The risk is small, clear, and totally optional. You don't need to be glued to financial news or watch stock prices all day. In fact, that's the opposite of this strategy. One short weekly check-in to see your spending and one monthly review to adjust your investment percentages is enough for most people. What you need is a simple, repeatable ritual that keeps you on track without adding stress to your life. This is more than just a financial plan. It's an identity shift. You stop chasing the drama and the hype, and you become the quiet builder of your own stable, secure life. Remember, this is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. If you want to learn how to build your finances slow, strong, and calm, follow Finance Decoded.